Good morning, children. Hope you have enjoyed your last class. Let us enjoy learning about our continent Asia today. What is a continent? A continent is one of the Earth's seven main divisions of land. The continents are listed from the largest to the smallest: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. When geographers identify a continent, they usually include all the islands associated with it. Physical features: Asia is the world's largest continent, which covers about 30% of the world's land area. This vast continent has the greatest diversity in terms of physical features, climate, vegetation, wildlife, and people. Asia has the highest mountain peak in the world, Mount Everest, as well as the lowest place on the Earth's land surface, the Dead Sea. The tundra, dense rainforests, and extensive deserts are part of Asia's varied landscape. The rich wildlife includes animals such as the polar bear, elephant, tiger, and giant panda. Separated from Europe by the Ural Mountains, the Caspian Sea, and the Black Sea. The continent is bounded by the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Pacific Ocean to the east, the Indian Ocean to the south, and the Mediterranean Sea to the southwest. The Red Sea and the Suez Canal separate it from Africa. In the northeast, the Bering Strait separates it from the North America. The main physical features: the northern lowlands, which includes the floodplains of the rivers Ob, Yenisei, and Lena, the central Siberian plateau, and the Turan plain. The central zone of mountains, which includes the mountain ranges such as the Himalayas, the Karakoram, Hindu Kush, Suleiman, Taurus, and the plateaus of Tibet, Mongolia, Iran, and Anatolia lie between the mountains. The plateaus of the south are the old and eroded plateaus, including the Deccan, Arabian, Shan, and the Yunnan plateaus. The fertile alluvial plains formed by rivers such as Huanghe, Yangtze, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus, Euphrates, Tigris, Irrawaddy, and Mekong. The island groups of islands to the east and southeast of the mainland. The political regions, Asian countries. Asia has many large and small countries, excluding Russia. China is the largest country, while Maldives is the smallest countries. Southwest Asia includes Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, Jordan, Syria, and Israel. South Asia includes India and its neighbors. Southeast Asian countries include Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, and Philippines. East Asia consists of China, North and South Korea, Japan, and Taiwan. Central Asia includes Kazakhstan and some other former Soviet republics. North Asia consists of Siberia and Asiatic Russia. Climate and vegetation zones. Tundra type. In northernmost Asia, it remains frozen for a major part of the year. The vegetation consists mainly of mosses and lichens. Polar bear, reindeers, Arctic foxes, wolves and various bird inhabits these regions. Taiga region to the south of the Tundra region, covering most of Siberia. Summers are cool, winters are bitterly cold. Coniferous trees grow in abundance in this region. Many animals valued for their fur, like the mink, sable, and lynx, live in these forests. Reindeer, elk, bears, and wolves too are common. Steppe region. In parts of Central and Western Asia. Here the winters are cold and summers are very warm. The steppes are practically treeless, consist of vast grassland. Antelopes, wild horses, and gazelles are among the animals found in this region. Desert, which is in the Central and Western Asia, south of steppe. Extremely dry. Deserts are of two types: temperate deserts and hot tropical deserts. There is little vegetation, mainly thorny bushes and short grasses in some areas. Animals too are scarce and include the Bactrian camel, that is the two-humped camel, and horse. The yak is found mainly in Tibet. Hot deserts are found over wide areas near the Tropic of Cancer. The scanty vegetation includes cacti and thorny bushes and shrubs. Date palms grow in oases. There are large stretches of sand and rock with no vegetations. Cool temperate region is in Eastern Asia, south of the Tiger region. Winters are cold, accompanied by snowfall. Summers are longer than and quite warm. These are mixed forests of coniferous trees such as spruce, pine, and fir, and deciduous trees such as oak, maple, and birch. Among the animals found here are bears, foxes, wolves, and the rare Siberian tiger. Warm temperate region. In the Eastern Asia, south of cool temperate region. This type of climate is also called the temperate monsoon or China type of climate. Trees such as oak, camphor, and magnolia are found here. Bamboos, ferns, and palms also grow here. Giant panda is a rare animal found here in the bamboo forest of China. Tropical monsoon region is in the Indian subcontinent and southeastern Asia. The natural vegetation varies with the amount of rainfall. Trees such as sal, teak, and sandalwood are some of the trees which are found here. These forests also have a dense growth of bamboos and shrubs. The areas of low rainfall have grasses, bushes, and shrubs. Mangroves or tidal forests are found in swampy coastal regions. The elephant dominates the wildlife in this region. Leopards, jackals, deer, monkeys, crocodiles, and various types of birds and snakes are also found here. Tigers and rhinoceros are found in certain regions. The Asiatic lion is found only in India. Equatorial region is in the southernmost Asia around the equator. This region has tropical rainforests, rosewood, ebony, and some of the commercial important hardwood trees of the equatorial forests grow here. Rubber, coffee, cacao are also grow here. Rich wildlife of these forests includes elephants, many types of reptiles, birds and insects, and apes such as orangutans and gibbons. Mediterranean type. In the Southwest Asia along the Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea. This is characterized by bright sunshine, hot, dry summers, and middle mild wet winters. It is a very apt season for us. The natural vegetation consists of evergreen shrubs and trees. Myrtle is one of the commonly found plants here. Cedar, oak, and olive are the important trees of these regions. Thank you.